All right, guys. So my daughter's bike's tube is possibly flat or has a hole or something. It's not holding air. So we're gonna take the tire out. We're gonna take the training wheels out, and we're gonna see where the problem is, and hopefully we could fix it, and she could ride her bike and not cry. So let's get into this. Let's do this. All right. First, we're gonna take the training wheels off. These are like snapped in, so this should either. Well, first I think we have to take the cover off first. So I want to make sure I don't break this for her. All right, so what we need is two flathead screwdrivers. We're gonna put one like so. We're gonna take the edge out. We're gonna hold it down like this. Then we're gonna use the other one to do the same thing and just keep going around to basically pull the tire out, and then you should be able to get this whole thing out. And then we're gonna pull the tube out. Don't whistle. Don't whistle.
Oh, that's the tube?
Yep. Okay. So let's see what the problem. Let's see if the issue is somewhere in the tube or if it's the needle. So we're gonna put some air in this right now. Because I couldn't tell when the tire was in there, when the tube was in there. Ah, right there. There's a giant hole right there.
Can I see?
Look.
Oh, what the? How did that get there?
Well, it happens. Now, you could get a patch kit and fix this if you like to, but I don't have a patch kit. I couldn't. I didn't really look for one. I didn't realize the hole was so tiny, and plus, because of the seam right there, it might be because of how it's grooved and all that stuff. It's gonna be difficult to patch this part. If it was on the flat area, then it would have been easy. But since it's here, it's gonna be really hard to do it, and this part is also bulging out. So you know what? We're just gonna toss this out.
That was one of the stuff.
We're gonna put a new tube in there. Now these are small bikes. These are 12.5-inch.
Was that staged? We're just gonna throw that out.
No, that's not staged. It's all part of the program.
That felt extremely staged because you just pulled the tube out of nowhere.
Why are you giving away the secrets of filming? All right, so easy enough. We're gonna put this back in here, and this part might just get a little tricky because now we need to fit this needle through the hole right there, and because it's kind of tight, we're gonna find a way to put this needle through there. Alright, the needle's in. Now you're gonna put the tube in. And make sure you're putting the tube in straight. Make sure you're not pinching it at any point. Make sure you're not twisting it, because you want it in here to be as flat as possible. So when you put air in it, it doesn't turn or pinch or create another hole.
Okay, good.
Alright, so the tube's in. Now I'm just gonna squeeze this through right here. Okay. Now if you tried to push this through, 90% of the time it's gonna go through, because, and look, we have a problem. I lost the needle.
Money.
Alright, I found it again. There we go. Perfect. So now we're gonna put some air in it. Hopefully it holds the air, and we're gonna put the bike back together. Good as new. All right. Perfect. Now let's reassemble. That's it. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Peace out.